When your startup is preparing to sell to enterprise clients, achieving SOC 2 compliance isn't just a checkbox, it's a sales enabler. Two of the leading platforms for automating SOC 2 readiness are Vanta and Drata. Both aim to reduce the manual burden, but they target different startup profiles and scale paths. In this video script, we'll walk through what each tool offers, how they differ, and which one may be a better fit for your startup's enterprise sales goals. Let's begin with Vanta. For many early-stage startups, time and resources are at a premium. Vanta is designed to get you audit-ready fast. It automates a large share of evidence collection, supports over 300 integrations, and emphasizes quick turnaround for frameworks like SOC 2. If your priority is moving quickly, showing enterprise prospects you take security seriously, and you don't have a big full-time compliance team yet, Vanta's speed and out-of-the-box ergonomics are strong advantages. On the other hand, Drata leans into deeper flexibility and control. It supports numerous integrations, offers strong developer-friendly workflows, and is well-suited to companies that anticipate growing their compliance program beyond their first audit. If your startup expects rapid scaling, multiple frameworks, or you're embedding compliance deeply into product and infrastructure, Drata gives you the tools to build that muscle. Both Vanta and Drata are excellent options for automating your SOC 2 readiness and helping you build trust with enterprise clients. The better choice is the one that aligns with your current stage and your growth plan. If your focus is rapid wins, minimal friction, and showing we've got compliance right now, go with Vanta. If your focus is long-term scalability, embedding compliance deeply, and building for future complexity, go with Drata. The right tool will remove overhead, let your team focus on product and sales, and position your startup as enterprise-ready without the compliance pain slowing you down.